Daylight regulation. Philips MasterConnect tutorial video. In the presence of daylight, the output from a luminaire is regulated to achieve a target light level on the working plane to save energy. The light output from the luminaire will still be bound by eco-on level on the upper side and background level on the lower side. Enter the group and configuration screen for a device, zone, or group. Choose Edit Configuration and change the light level parameters. Activate Daylight-Based Control and choose Calibrate Daylight Sensor. Choose Save and Proceed to start the calibration. Finalize process by selecting Finish. You have successfully activate and calibrate the daylight regulation. For accurate calibration of the daylight sensor, it is recommended to start a new calibration after every eco-on level change of a group, zone, or device. Please always perform the daylight calibration in absence of daylight and ideally on group or zone level.
Philips